about the leader cycle. This is the Beast, and it is the 26T. Something which can be improved. Leader is an Indian brand. This one, so basically this one costed me roughly around. What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video about the leader cycle. This is the Beast and it is the 26T variant. So this one comes with I think there are a couple of things which I want to talk, and also there are something which can be improved. Leader is an Indian brand. This one again competes with Hero, but the price range is almost like 2,000 to 3,000 difference. So this one is the Beast series, and this one comes with as I said, right, the 26T. So basically the rim size, that is what it is, and it is capable of weight loads which is between 80 to 100 kgs or a little more than that as well. But yeah, the best things about this brand is that the quality is really good. The pricing also is very competitive. It's an Indian manufacturer from Ludhiana, Punjab, and they come up with some good products. They have a very good lineup of cycles in their portfolio, and this one is one of the cycles which has a good price to features comparison. So basically this one costed me roughly around like 4,700, and sometimes it goes up to 5,000 bucks. For that, I think the features that it gives is really good. Like this one comes with disc brakes for both front and back, which is really good. In this price range, I think no other manufacturer gives disc brakes. This one also comes with the front shock absorbers, which is telescopic and which is also good. Again, no other manufacturer gives in this particular price range. The provision for fitting another brake is also there, but yeah, if you want to have extra stopping power, you can also have brakes fitted. But again, the front brake is also there, and this is in some kind of form of a pedal disc. The build quality is aluminum and it is very lightweight, so that is also a good thing. The pedal quality also is good and can easily take up a good weight load. Though this is made up of aluminum, right? But you can see that there's good weight savings even over here. And there's, this has made it very light. The seat is adjustable, the seat height, and that is also a good thing. But yeah, they could have given the easy mechanism rather than a screw. Apart from that, this also comes with a bottle holder and a bottle included. So all these things are something which no other brand gives for this particular price range, and that's why this stands apart from the rest of the crowd. Couple of negatives, or probably I'm nitpicking, and that is, as I said, right, they could have given an easy lever over here to adjust the seat height. So that is one thing. The mud flaps, right, they could have been of better quality, because after some time it keeps shaking, and also the nut keeps loosening itself. The other positive or the feedback is in terms of the grips. These are something which could have been of better quality, and also the handle grip, right, so that also could have been better. So the accessories like bell is missing, so that is something which we have to buy, and also the seat cover is something that you have to buy, because the seat is a little narrow and is on the firmer side, so that is also something which could have been improved. And is the chain sprocket, right? So this is something which probably could have been more reinforced, because this is termed as an MTB, so which is a Mountaineering terrain bike. But with this kind of a setup, right, it feels a little weak. You put more pressure and you get to see that this is on the lighter side, though it didn't create any problems. But yeah, this could have been a little bit reinforced is what I feel, especially this nut mechanism, right? In little expensive models, right, you don't have this mechanism. You have a direct bolt kind of a mechanism, so that is more secured, because it wedges into the screw which directly holds the rim. So that is something which is there. Apart from that, I think for 5,000 bucks, right, roughly, you can't ask anything more. This is something which checks all the right boxes, and also is good bang for the buck when you compare it with Hero. So Hero in the same price range offers one more variant, but Hero charges, I think, roughly around like 8,000 bucks, 8 or 9,000 bucks. I'll put the comparative screenshot between this and Hero, and I think that's where this is a good buy. If you're under a particular budget and looking for a 26T adult cycle. So this one is a good option that you can look for. The other good thing is these tires. These are not something which is, I think, locally made, but probably could be a Chinese import. The rims and the tires are also of good quality. They are giving me good grip. But yeah, it's not something where you immediately see that it's getting deflated. So that is a good thing. But yeah, all in all, it's a good cycle for the price that you pay. And the price to features that it has is really good. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.